Raspberry summer pudding. Ingredients: 1½ cups white sugar, 1 tablespoon water, 3 cups fresh raspberries, 6 slices white bread, 1 cup whipped cream. Preparation: in a saucepan over medium heat, combine the sugar, water, and raspberries. Cook, stirring carefully so as not to damage the berries, until the mixture is hot, and the sugar is dissolved. Set aside to cool slightly. Line a 1-quart bowl with 5 slices of bread. Pour the raspberry mixture over the bread, and place the last slice of bread on top. Cover the bowl loosely with plastic wrap. Place a weight on top of the bowl. Canned goods work well, and refrigerate overnight. The next day, remove plastic wrap, and invert onto a plate. Serve chilled, with whipped cream.